Hi, I'm Chris Williams. I'm a CR UK clinical trials at the University of Leeds, UK. Well, I guess in my field of oncology, personalisation of care is key, and we're gaining an ever-increasing amount of knowledge about the biological diversity of cancers, and individualised approaches to care are essential to improve outcomes. And at the meeting in October, we'll have the chance to talk about the many and varied ways in which we can take the lessons learned in the lab forward into rational drug development. But even after we've conducted large-scale phase 3 trials, there's so much more we can learn about response and non-response and acquired resistance to cancer therapies. And I'll be presenting some key examples of how that has been and is being done, and how collaboration between academics and industry can accelerate this process. The Swiss Translational Medicine Conference is bringing together a diverse range of experts across multiple medical fields with a broad range of expertise. So I'm really looking forward to hearing how people are driving innovation and change in fields apart from my own, and to how different models of academia and industry partnerships are augmenting the translational pathway. This conference has really assembled a truly expert and international faculty, and this will be a chance for ideas to germinate, to formulate and be discussed in a room with key opinion leaders from academia, from industry and also from government, which is a really unique opportunity. Translational medicine has exploded since its conception in the 2000s. Now with the advent of multi-omics techniques, with real-world data mining, digital pathology, digital radiology, and not to mention AI, we can now learn more about our patients and disease than ever before. So the challenge is, how do we get people working in very different fields to move in similar directions? How can we promote multidisciplinary working and find synergies? And how do we synthesize these massive volumes of information that we now have to drive rational drug development, but also generate biomarkers of true clinical or practical utility in everyday practice? Translational medicine is really essential for personalising cancer care. All cancers are different, and the biology of cancer is very, very diverse, as we're increasingly understanding. And it's only by understanding the true diversity and really targeting these weaknesses that we're exposing through translational medicine that we can drive progress for our patients. So I think the main challenge really that we have these days is that the massive volume of information we have about cancers. How do we find what really matters, what's truly driving processes in cancer biology, and how do we then exploit those weaknesses to drive rational drug development? We also need to find ways in which we can do this within the financial envelope that we have, so that we can create change that's truly sustainable and deliverable to patients across the world.